Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Upasana's maths class. So can you solve these types of questions in like 2 seconds? This is really very easy. For these types of questions, you actually need to know this formula. We have a formula where we say a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b, right? So here we have a is 101, b is 99, right? So this will be equal to a plus b and a minus b. Okay, so actually this is equal to 200, right? 101 plus 99 is 200. Multiply, if there is no sign, that means it is multiply. 101 minus 99 is equal to 2. So what is 200 times 2? 400. So you actually don't need to find the square of this and this, then subtract. Use these types of formula for easy answer.